update for this Monday, the 21st of September, a black Monday, you might say. It's actually pretty red if you understand the color, but it's not a pretty day. And this is September 21st, 2020, about 9:35 a.m. Look at this stock market take a plunge. Look at the silver. You are talking a market down 10% in one day. That's a huge drop. Copper market, it's like the air just came out of this market. I thought the 310 area was expensive. I've said that all last week. And here you are back into support now that I think is interesting at the 302 area. Part of what's going on is traders, I think, are caught wrong in a currency trade. The dollar has reversed strongly to the upside, taking the euro down back into the 117.5 area, British pound coming down. So what's going on? Well, in Europe, it's an uproar over the COVID cases that are hitting again. They are really grabbing France, parts of Germany. They are grabbing hard London. And as I understand it, the London mayor and the secretary of their health there, they might be ready to declare a 2-week lockdown in London. So you get that. Then we start thinking what's going to happen here. You get the element of a Ruth Bader Ginsburg death, and now what's going to happen with that fight. Miss Pelosi again talking to of the president. Over a right that he might have, I would think to a point, whoever he wants for vote by the Senate, but we'll see what goes on there. Grains taking it on the chin. So it's a monster day where all of a sudden in a narrow walkway, if you will, everybody went through the same door at one time, bids coming into the bonds and the note market. Now, in terms of the data, the Chicago Fed activity slowed down quite a bit. While it's a plus 79, they revised the prior month up to 254 from 118, and then we've plunged. So we're at 2/3 decline. That's not good. As I said, Mayor of London, they might be ready today to declare that lockdown. There are no positives that I saw in the press about the U.S. fiscal stimulus measures. We have Congress trying to get together and pass legislation to fund the federal government through mid-December, avoiding a shutdown like they had before when so many workers were out of work. The new fiscal year starts October 1st. In oil, workers at Libya Sarah Field have restarted operations. We don't know how much they're going to get online right away, but they've proven quite adapted, doing quite a bit. And as I said, Supreme Court Justice Ginsburg, she has set up a new political issues for the the November elections that are coming right around the corner. So when you put all this together, it just weighed on the markets and everybody through that one door. September's a notorious month for up and down in stock markets and hurting. Look at the energies. You're down $2 a barrel right through here. So it's interesting because my technical work has kept me basically sidelined for the past 48 hours of trading. And this is going to change things a little bit. But, I always pay attention when the work doesn't line up on trades in almost anything. And this is going to have a radical difference on all that. But if you'd like to know more about what we do at the Linn Group, let's see if I can get this to play for us. There we go. Well, we write about it. And over the weekend, I was reading what our staff was putting out, because they write on Saturdays and Sundays as well. You get buried with the information starting on a day like today, and you should. So your email starts filling in with what's going on and everything from, if you will, the metal markets, the financials, talking of what the stock indices are doing, right on through the whole horde of everything going on. And we cover all these markets, and we cover them in ways that cover both the futures, the options, and spread strategies on the futures. If you haven't seen what we do, what a good time to take advantage of it. We're right at what I call the heart of obviously something big happening right now. Just go to our website, look at the free offers, sign up for what you want there. You can always call my staff. They'll get you taken care of. I did not put out this weekend, as you know, free for my YouTube followers anything on the weekly charts that I do. I covered everything again for all my subscribers. They had everything done when they should have had it done, but I will be back in the saddle now. We've done a home renovation here, and it's at the last 5%, so now I'm freeing up again. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day. I will talk to you all later this afternoon in our end of the day market wrap-up.